Are you at the end of it?
Because the soldering person is soldering a piece for the bottom of these containers. We'll put a wire mesh in there so that the urine can flow out the bottom. We'll put a hole in the bottom into a tube that'll come in with the gray water. And we also put up the gutter here. It goes all the way around. It's not completely done yet, which will collect the water, so we have drinking water from that. And there's Greg. He's one of my friends, along with Raphael and Mateo here, who are going to be installing electricity right now. Plugs, enchufes, the switches and lights. And that's the wife of Angel, and who's the maestro, as Angel. She's in charge of the garden.